Yes, we are live. Perfect.
Hi, Richa.
Hi, Mansa. How are you?
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
I'm
Good
doing.
morning to you.
Thank you. Good evening to you. Thank you. I'm doing great. So,
Yeah, good to know.
yes,
So, yes, I think let's introduce ourselves first so that, people will know about us a bit before we
we
deep
proceed.
dive. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So you can start.
Okay. Hi, I'm Mansa Neelam Raju. I'm logging in from my home office from Hyderabad. I'm based from Hyderabad and I'm a conscious parenting and relationship well-being coach. And before that, I'm a mom, uh, you know. So, yes, I'm here to help many mothers serve them better and transfer my knowledge, whatever the little knowledge I have, I want to pass on to you guys. Yes, over to you, Richa.
Yes. Amazing. Thank you for having you here. It's a great opportunity. And
My
yes,
pleasure.
I am Rucha Shah. I am logging from my home office in USA. And yes, I'm also a mom of two beautiful angels. But I'm working as a women empowerment and I'm helping women to restart their journey, to regain that confidence. So it's a nice combo, the parenting coach and the empowerment coach. And together we are going
Both
to,
should go together.
yes, together we are going to give you some practical tools and strategy to become a calm mom. So it's not a theoretical session, so don't worry. Yes.
Yes, it's like, more of an interactive one. How we, as a mom, undergo every single day, some of the other challenges will come up and how we face, like, we are some superpower. No need to show some cartoons to your kids because all of us here, all the moms are the
Super.
superwoman kind of thing. What do you say,
True,
Rucha?
true. True, true. Mothers are like they have extra wings and extra power. God already given us. Just we have to know that how to use that power.
Exactly, exactly. So, one question is biting me inside. Can I really ask you something honestly, Rucha?
Yes, you can. Don't worry.
Yeah, so I always think, have you ever shouted at your child or any of your kid and then cried in the bathroom or somewhere hiding and feeling very weird about it? Did it happen with you?
Yes, it happened with me. And then I promised myself, no, from tomorrow I will not do this. I will be calm mom. But same story happened next day.
Exactly. That's what I was wondering. See, we deal with parents every single day. We tell them, but yet we are also moms and we lose it. But I think only thing here is maybe we know how to manage it
Yes,
because learning is very important. What do you say?
true. We don't have to manage kids. हम वो many people are like बच्चे को संभालना it's a tough job. We can't manage kids. No, we have to learn how to manage ourselves. Then kids
Correct.
and family,
Exactly.
everything will manage.
Yes, yes, that's what I was wondering. So,
So
yeah,
I honestly tell you the my version, the previous version of me, the one incident that happened in
yes,
my place. As my daughter, yeah, elder daughter is 6 years, and I'm blessed with the good child. They are not like rigid, but sometimes it happens. So what happened? It was a dinner time. I prepared something. I forgot the meal, but I prepared something. And usually the way I prepare it that time it's a different way. The
correct,
recipe was the same. Like if it's a pav bhaji, the pav bhaji was the same, but the technique of the
mm,
preparation it's different.
correct.
And
Hmm.
she's too choosy in terms of taste and texture. So she started
Okay.
showing tantrum, I don't want to eat. And you know what? At that moment, I tried to be
Okay.
calm because at that time I wasn't learning. So
Okay.
I try to be calm and be conscious. I understand her, but at last she is not ready to eat. And I blast on her.
Okay.
So, because
Okay.
here there is no household help, no support, and also younger daughter is just 20 months. So, whole day's frustration transferred to Viha just because she is refusing
The kids,
not to eat.
whatever we are
Huh.
facing, all the things carried from morning to the evening, when they do something इधर उधर हो जाएगा तो हम ऐसा balloon जैसा
ब्लास्ट कर देंगे
blast. That's
ब्लास्ट
what happened. Or maybe I think one more thing might have happened. She didn't like the texture of it, or the platter that we arrange. Maybe that's something different for her. Maybe you can try next time ki, you plate that same dish in some form, which she usually likes, and stuff it. We do, right? The mom hands
yes
we have to do.
yes at that moment. See, that happened with all of us. We now eventually reacting. We are not pausing ourselves. We are not thinking why this is happening, and we are like,
Correct.
ये क्या अब नया झमेला है. I have a lot of work and she is not listening, he is not listening, and we started shouting, showing
Counting
irritation.
on that.
Yes,
Exactly. We never think from their perspective. See, what we do is we treat them as a kids, but actually their brains are also at par of our level. Always, our mentor says ki we have to treat them at our level, so that we'll be able to understand why they are not eating at this moment. Maybe they are not hungry or something.
yes, true. That happened. We are focusing on behavior. We are not focusing on belief. What they are
Correct.
caring, what the emotion they are going through, because they are kids. They doesn't know how to manage the
Correct.
emotion.
Right. That is true. So, one more thing I want to ask you, Rucha, here is, why do we shout? Why do we really blabber? See, that happens, right? Today morning, let me tell you an example. After knowing so much, also, we do it. That's what I was wondering before this session. I was thinking about that. Morning, my son wanted to have milk before, just right before the lunchtime. Not even in the morning, it happened
Um,
just before 1 hour. He wants to have that milk just before that lunchtime. And I was like, what? How will you eat your lunch if you drink your milk right now? And I was about to shout, it was at the tip of my tongue. I wanted to shout, what are you doing? Then I told, okay, I think have to think in a different direction. So why do we, or why do moms usually go through that? And before you answer, Rucha, if anyone is resonating with us, please put it in the comments. It can be much of an interactive thing. If you are facing, or if any men in the room, please put it. If your wife is also doing the same things, like us, we would
yes,
love to know.
you can write, this is our home story.
Yes.
Because it's every home story. No offense. Sometimes mine also blast on kids because of office pressure, deadlines, meetings, business person also. So because kids are easy access person. If we shout on elder people they will respond. They will respond back. So we are
Correct.
not going to shout with them. And kids are
Right.
smaller, they are not answering back. So it's a easy access, and everything we are putting on them.
Correct.
Like
Exactly. That's what is
like the same thing.
happening.
If some if something happened to wife always blame her husband. That's the same thing.
That is true. Whatever it is there are dumped. ऐसा पति घर आते हैं Did you observe one more thing, Rucha? Men actually, to be frank, men, they won't really complain after, as soon as they come home. Did you ever observe telling your husband, aisa aisa ho gaya in the office? Never. But as soon as the husband enters, we did, right? We did many times, and many of you have done that in the past, I guess. That मेरा सास ऐसा किया, मेरे सासू माँ ऐसा किया, ऐसा neighbor ऐसा किया, कुछ तो मेरे friend ऐसा किया, something or the other.
True, true. So we are just finding the reason, I guess.
Correct.
We,
Yeah, thank you, Ekta, that you're enjoying, and yeah, I hope you're also doing the same. Please put it in the comments, guys. We want to know more. Yes, Richa, sorry, please.
I know, continue. So we were discussing topic is diverted to child to husband. So let's come
Correct.
back. So we were discussing why this happened.
Yeah.
So first important, it's because mom are feeling overwhelming because lack of support. They want to also live their dream and they are not able to living. So they are feeling overwhelmed, outburst. Sometimes it's a joint family setup, so they have to take care of their in-laws as well, or some are working. So managing
Correct.
work and family life, they are not good at managing, I guess. They have to learn and they can manage. It's not a like a big deal.
Yes, yes.
So
ABCDs भी हमने स्कूल जाके लर्न करके तब परफेक्ट हो गया. ये भी सेम, आई गेस.
true. So see, we have to change the mindset. It is not like कि पेरेंटिंग क्या पढ़ने की चीज है, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट क्या ही कर लेंगे, अब तो बच्चे ही संभालें. नो, you are a lifelong learner. हम if we reach to 18 still we can learn if we want to.
Yes. You
Some or
remember
other.
that आंटी 80-year-old का हम जब पढ़ते थे हमारी कम्युनिटी में? You
Yes,
remember her?
yes, and the main thing कि even though some of our like 80 years auntie uncle are climbing the mountains, they are going to travel the world, so that's also
Yes.
hobby we are learning while traveling. The same thing,
Correct.
you know everything. See, no offense, moms know better than anyone else. She know how to manage her kids. It's not manage their kids, it's manage herself. But they know how to deal with the kids because it's a big bonding between mom and kids. But still, if we learn, then it's a different level. You can make a
Correct.
bulk connection.
We have one thing in Telugu, female, the wife is like mantri, means minister,
Sure.
minister of the house. How
House.
minister manages the whole kingdom. King, he will just say, okay, okay, he'll just
Yes,
pay everything. But
true.
actually, the minister, executes everything. He is the thing of the house, sorry, kingdom. So same here, I feel. तो
Great
empowerment तो
example.
बिल्कुल चाहिए women को.
Great example. Yes, that's also an ask. It's a sorry, it's a home minister of the house. So, but
Correct.
see, if we see that way, na the practical strategy, the home minister also travel different world, meeting with different countries, people,
Correct.
and learning new things. That's how
Correct.
they learn. The same way, women's and when we meet now, we discuss just about the problems. We never discuss about
No
achievements.
solutions. No solutions to it.
It's like a switch. Once we start put on, na, it's continue going on, going on, going on.
Childhood to somewhere, it's
Sass,
like Kerala to Delhi.
everything like sass aa jayega, husband, situation, everything. We cover each and every area if time permits.
That
But
is
we are not ready to learn, and that's where we are behind.
very true. Yes. Yeah, that's what I say to many of my parents, whoever come to me. You have to learn. it is okay to learn, rather than, why we should learn, why should we spend for learning parenting, or how to, become independent, why we should learn. Many people asked me. But do you really get these type of questions, Richa?
Yes.
Did you encounter?
Yours is too easy because parenting also some or other how they want to do better for their child. So they get ready.
Correct.
Mine is woman empowerment and woman like अब तो
Yes.
8-10 साल हो गए now I don't need it. I just want a solution for parenting. अब क्या ही करेंगे बच्चे संभालने घर संभालने टाइम नहीं मिलता. And I was like I also started after 8 years.
No.
If I
No,
can
I
do
don't really agree. Whoever told, I really don't agree, because जो पेरेंटिंग के लिए आते हैं ना, मैं पहले बोलती कि learn how to, improve yourself.
self,
Then you can self
true.
fill your cup. Then you can
Then
fill
you can
your
feel
child's
others.
cup.
True. You can't pour others from the empty cup. That's a true.
Correct.
And the
Right.
most important, if we learn now how to manage ourselves, everything will manage. We will be more calm, no guilt, no comparison, because most of things happen in today's world, it's because of comparison and guilt. So many social
Correct.
media access. तो किसी का देख
Correct.
लिया कि इसके हस्बैंड ने ये कराया उसके लिए इसके बच्चे को ऐसे लेके गए एंड देन वी स्टार्ट ब्लास्टिंग ऑन देम.
Correct.
आप नहीं करते हो ये वो ब्लेमिंग गिल्ट एवरीथिंग हैपन.
Correct. So what you are saying is, like, mostly we shout because of this mental load, or lack of support, or comparison, or guilt. ये
Guilt.
चार चीजें पे
True.
डिपेंडेंट होगा.
Yes, I give the it's a social media example. I just scroll
Okay.
down and I saw one reel, but it's really matlab how comparison work. So I'm telling you, it's a scenario that two couple, but all four of us were working together in one
Okay.
place. So two husband in same department and two wife is in same department. And
Okay.
what happened at that day, I literally shared with my husband also. So it's a month end. So they husband has to work there and wife has a holiday. So once husband went
Okay.
after finishing everything, they went to the home. So what happened? One was the feeling tired and that so he had just dinner and slept. Nothing happened.
Okay.
And the other case scenario is different. That I'll tell you later. So
Okay.
what happened? Then next day, when wife met, then they ask, "Yeah, what did you do yesterday? How you celebrate your Sunday?" So one was like, nothing.
Okay.
He just came tired. He just eat and sleep. And she asked a other woman, "Okay."
Okay.
So women are like, na, we can add mirch masala. We can add tadka. It's tadka of
In the
positivity.
cooking or in the
Yes.
conversation?
It's a tadka of positivity or negativity. It's up to you. So
Right.
she said ki when he came, then we went to have dinner outside, and then we come by walk. It's a long drive or a long walk thing, and then we decorate our home with the candles, and then we slept. Enjoy the moment, and then we slept. So after reaching home, wife started blaming husband. आप कुछ नहीं करते हो, आप कभी मेरे लिए नहीं करते हो, you just doing work, work, work. See how they celebrate, how they enjoy the Sunday. So next day,
Correct.
it's a wife story. अब next day
Okay.
husband गए office.
Oh,
So
okay.
the victim जो victim जो पूरा सुन के आया था, the victim husband ask his friend ki how did you celebrate your Sunday? And the husband was like, क्या बताऊं मैं जब घर गया because I didn't pay the electricity bill और तो there is no light so we can't cook. So
Okay.
thank you Ekta. So we can't cook. So we went to the outside to eat food. And we went to very rich place. So bill was too high. So we have to come back by walk because we can't afford cab. It's over the budget already. And
Oh my God.
and because it's electricity already cut off, so there is no light. So we have to decorate home with the candles so we can see each other. So we put some candles and then we slept. So that's the story.
Scenario badal gaya na. What happened was completely different, and what came out differently.
Yes.
Yeah,
So what's the point of discussing Nick? In this scenario, two type of people. The positive wife find the way to enjoy the moment. कि long walk हो गया,
correct.
candle light हो गया, that way. And the negative wife start blaming the husband. You are not paying on time. I remind you so many
Yeah,
time. You are not listening to me.
correct.
You are just focusing and many things going and going and going.
Whatever she had, she forgot, and she started comparing. So here, the comparison as well as blame came into
Blame.
the picture, and everything
Yes.
changed.
Yes. So
Yes,
that's how it happens with kids as well. We saw on a social media some kids are doing stage performance or something, and we start lecturing our kids. You are not doing anything. You are just watching TV. You are just scrolling screen.
very true,
Your
very
friend is
true.
doing
Because of
great.
this, because of
Yes,
the
yes.
kids also, this comparison, I think they are going through a lot of trauma also. The kids are going under a lot of pressure because of this comparison.
Yes, peer pressure. Happen with many kids ki once they reach in a teenage level, na, they shut themselves completely.
Right, right.
And then parents
That
came
is
to
true.
us, and then parents came to us, now want a solution. Because, but see, you already planted that seed in early childhood.
Correct. Correct. Another proverb in Telugu, చేతులు కాలాక ఆకులు పట్టుకోవడం. That means, when after burning your hands, why to hold those leaves and all? There's no, yeah. So it's okay, but what I think is at any stage we can learn.
Yes,
It's
um,
not too late
so
for learning if you
true.
have missed that.
True. In our Indian culture, like कि if एक बार कांच टूट गया, so we cannot join that.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
so that's how we thought कि अब एक बार गलती कर दी रिलेशनशिप बच्चों से कनेक्शन छूट गया जब टीनेज में पहुंचते हैं वी आर नॉट कनेक्टिंग विद देम बिकॉज ऑफ द पास्ट बिहेवियरल वी थॉट कि इट्स नॉट लाइक अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता नाउ वी कैन डू एंड द रिवर साइड इन द जापान व्हाट दे आर डूइंग दे इफ अ चाइल्ड ब्रोक एनीथिंग ड्यूरिंग द चाइल्डहुड we usually shouted because हमें डर होता है कि उनको कुछ लग
Right.
जाएगा but we start shouting तुम अच्छे से
Correct.
पकड़ते नहीं ये वो and they actually put all together they select and they paint with the golden line because that line should be visible so they paint with the golden line and the message was if we want we can make it anything kind of a gold.
Wow. Wonderful, wonderful technique this is.
So that's how, because always we inspire from the Japan student. Ki Japan student are so practical, they are helping, they are doing so many things. But why? The parents' behavior is
Correct.
most important. How
Correct. So, yeah.
how we
Yeah, sorry, please
reacting
continue.
or responding the situation,
Yes.
whatever it's a split milk, it's a broken thing, not listening.
Correct.
It could be anything, watching too much screen.
Correct, correct. I think we should discuss next time about the screen topic because I know
Yes.
many of the parents are struggling with that. Yeah, I think
Yes,
we should,
next time.
as you just brought up that it came into my mind. Next time, yes. How many of you are excited? By the way, please put it in the comments. How many of you are excited for the next sessions, such an interactive session with us? Please put it in the comments. We would love to know.
Yes, we are just
Yeah.
discussing. There is no teaching
Yes.
session.
Yes, yes. No small parenting hacks here. Just a day-to-day relatable topic. So, Rucha, one more thing is many people say calm moms are are not born calm, and they build regulation. There is some type of thing about this calmness. What do we think we have to tell our audience here about calm mom or calm parenting or calm woman?
So, first thing, calm is not a personality. Calm, it's a skill. You have to learn that skill. Like we learn how to walk, how to talk, how to behave. Everything we learn.
Correct.
जब पैदा हुए तब कुछ नहीं आता था। जब एक ही चीज आती थी कि खाना खाना है और वो रोना है। जब भूख
Very
लगती है
true.
तब रोते थे। Everything we learn.
Correct.
The same way
Yes.
we have to learn this also.
Yes. So I want to tell here
Thank
three
you.
small
Ju-
techniques.
Just a
Sorry.
second. Thank you, Srinivas. It's really glad that you helped and you relate.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yes. Thanks, Srinivas, Lavanya, Ekta. Yeah. So shall I give three small techniques for our audience, Richa, for being calm? What do you say?
Definitely, they need it. And sometimes also we forgot after learning so much. So also we have
Yes,
to remind
it's like
ourselves.
a recall session for us also,
Yes,
okay. Before teaching, implement it.
true.
And see, guys, one more thing I want to point out here is it is nothing a theory subject that we are telling. This is all proven, and if you follow 100%, and we both are telling the results will come because we have experienced it personally, and these are all tried on us. You know how the scientists test
Yes,
on rats
yes,
and all. This is proven. This is
yes.
tested,
It's
and then we are getting it to you.
tried and tasted. We learn from different mentor. Like I'm learning from 3 years. She's also learning from different mentor from a long period of time. So we grab all the
Yes,
theory into practical tool.
yes. As our mentor says, learning, you learn and get it into the world. That
Yes.
is what she believes, and she have instilled it so wonderfully in our minds. So that's how we thought of serving in this way to the community. Yeah. So coming to the 3 points, is first thing is when we are, when we are in that shouting mode or when we are anxious or something is happening. First of all, our nervous system literally shuts down. So our brain stops working, completely shut off. That is the first reason we shout or we say something. But instead of that, in that moment, if we just, pause for a second, it may look very simple for you, but if you just pause for a second and just reflect on it before reacting, think about it. What should I do in this situation? What better things can I do in this situation? Everything changes in that minute seconds. Trust me. So that's the one thing. And the second thing is breathing technique. You want to say something on this, Rucha, the breathing technique? Because I
Yeah.
know you're expert in this.
No, no, no. We both are on same sail, so don't worry. It's no
Yeah.
one is expert. But yes, it's true. If we pause for a moment, so we are giving a calm down effect to our mind. Because once something triggered happen
Correct.
now, our mind is like,
Correct.
let's switch on and start
Right.
blasting. So for that, how emotions react now, I would suggest one movie Inside Out. Just go with your kids. It's only emotion based movie. How emotion works. How emotion switch on, switch off in our mind. They have a switch.
True.
And how it works, it's a cartoon
Yes.
character movie. So kids also enjoy and they learned a lot. My daughter learned a lot from that movie. Now she understood what is envy, what is jealousy, everything.
Right.
How emotion work.
Yeah.
So
So basically, we have to name that emotion.
emotion.
is
Yes,
what
we
you're
have
telling,
to.
because we don't know whether it is angry, whether it is sadness, or whatever it is. We have to identify that. When you see, whenever you pause, only you will be able to do all this. Asking yourself a question, or maybe it can be reframing the sentence into a nice question. What can I do a better way?
Yes, asking a nice question is most important. Once you ask yourself now, you get that clarity what you want to do it.
Correct.
So that's
Yes.
most important. Asking question is most important. You can do better. It's not just for kids. Whenever something conflict happen with your mother-in-law, with your husband, pause for a second. Thought. Thought about the situation not as a victim energy. Take responsibility, take in charge. Because it's never like कि ताली एक हाथ से पड़ेगी. You have to put both your hand together, then only you can clap.
True.
So it's a two-way.
Yes.
Sometimes
Yes.
it's a 60-70,
Yes.
sometimes it's a 50-50, sometimes 80-20. But that should be percentage of yours also involved.
Very true. One more point I want to add here is, we usually don't take that responsibility of that maintaining the energy.
Energy.
We all usually go into that blame zone. Okay, there might be the mistake of others, maybe more, as you told,
True.
80-20. But at least if we think about the 20% that what we contributed here, and take that responsibility and not going to the blame zone, the energy of the house gets protected, and that energy only passes to our husband, our in-laws, and to the kids. Just observe, when you are happy, the whole house, though there are so many problems, you feel like that positive energy will be there.
Obviously, as you say, it's a home minister. So if home minister happy, then a whole country will happy.
Correct. So here I want to also add our mentor's quote. Do you want to add, Rucha? That quote always, our mentor would say,
You can
mom
go ahead, go
energy.
ahead. It's the world
Yeah.
energy.
Yes, mom energy is the world energy.
As
It transfers from mom energy to child, to the family, to the world.
so let me
So,
reframe, as you also God conscious parenting and you are doing some spiritual parenting as well. So it's a reframe. How mom get the energy. So it's a God energy equal to mom energy. God passes that energy to mom, then mom energy to child, child to
yes,
family, and family to world. So it's
that,
all aligned.
that is true.
If one is break na,
Yes, yes.
a whole chain will break.
That's it. Yes,
So
very true.
yes,
So,
yes. It
uh, you
yeah.
want to announce that bonanza that we are planning for our audience?
Go ahead.
No,
Go
no,
ahead.
please.
So, first of all, I want to say thank you. Thank you for joining us live and cheering up. And I hope we gave you some insight, some Balbon moments that you can use in your daily life. And as you join, you are watching this, we both want to give you some bonus because it's always how we work. We also get bonus from our mentor on different day and we want to pass it to you. Yes, so thank you.
So, are you
Thank
excited? Are you excited for
Yes,
that
I'm
bonus?
seeing in the comments already. They are
Brilliant.
absolutely excited. So,
Yeah.
okay. So we are coming here and with the 7-day calm mom reset formula. The 7-day we will give you some tools, practical strategy, techniques to implement in your daily life, day-to-day life, routine life. And you can make a better connection with your child, becoming calm, and also enjoy your home environment. So,
Yes. Your husband and your child, or if you have more than one child, they will feel, what happened to my mom? Where is my mom? Please. Wow, they'll feel that way.
yes, now that happened to my place. Sometime I'm doing something, and my elder one is like, Mom, are you crazy? What are you doing? Because she never look like that way ki my mom can do this also. And I'm like, yes, now I
Correct.
am crazy and I'm going to make you
They have
crazy.
seen us that version of shouting, screaming,
True.
blaming, low energy, passing on to that. Yes, they have seen us like that.
Yes, we have been in that way only. After learning, it's now in a better position, not completely shut off. Sometimes also we are also human, and human can make mistakes.
That is true. That is true.
So not much taking of your time. If you want this 7 days calm mom reset formula, just DM us and we will send you that and we will give you our WhatsApp access when you can connect with us in a daily and we can share the inside how we can help better. So if you love it, type love in the comment, and if you want, please DM us the calm and we will send you the kit.
Yes. And also, you can we have our this WhatsApp communities, both of us. So if you would love to join, you are most welcome. You can join both of our communities and learn so many insights that we will be providing. And our sessions are coming. Our live sessions are also lined up. Mine is tomorrow, Rucha. I have a session at 6 p.m. tomorrow on how to create time on calm and calm conscious parenting. So I think
Yes.
yours is also lined up.
Mine is also lined up, but not tomorrow. So we'll announce later. But yes,
Yes.
our audience would love to join tomorrow and get clarity on time management also. How can we make a peace with the time?
Yes.
And thank you, Live the
Correct.
Life, Srinivas, Lavanya, that you are happy with the session, you are loving the session, and that means a lot for us.
Yes. Thank you so much. Uh,
No worries. Thank you for joining us live. Thank you for watching this video. If you are not live, we are also uploading in the Facebook. You are going to watch. You will get the access.
yes.
So don't worry for that. And thank
Yes.
you.
If
And
you are watching it as a recording also, please put it in the our DM us so that we'll be able to send, and we'll be able to share our WhatsApp community groups also over there so that you can join and you can get
yes.
more access to our information. It will be more easy for us to share whatever we are feeling.
Yes. And if you are man or you are watching, so please, I would request go tell your wife, your if your sister or mother, whosoever, whoever needed this because it's a learning technique. And when they are learning, your home will be happy. So please guide them.
Your homies, your
Support.
lives will be happy. So
Yes, support them. Ultimately, your mental load will going to off. So don't worry, just support them, encourage them. And don't worry, this is free. Our WhatsApp community is free, our live session is free, so they can join.
yes,
We are
yes, yes.
not
I forgot
charging
to say yes.
anything. So it's not a paid promotion, it's a free. They can join.
Us to share whatever we are feeling.
Yes. And if you are man or you are watching, so please, I would request go tell your wife, your if your sister or mother, whoever needed this because it's a learning technique. And when they are learning, your home will be happy. So please guide them.
Your homies, your
Support.
lives will be happy. So
Yes, support them. Ultimately, your mental load will going to off. So don't worry, just support them, encourage them. And don't worry, this is free. Our WhatsApp community is free, our live session is free, so they can join.
yes,
We are
yes, yes.
not
I forgot
charging
to say yes.
anything. So it's not a paid promotion, it's a free. They can join. No worries. We are signing off from our home office.
Yes,
Thank you. Thank you for joining.
yes.
It means a
Thank you
lot.
so much, guys. I'm Mansa signing off from my home office from Hyderabad. Thank you, Richa, for your time
You're
and
most
your
welcome.
morning energy that you have woke
Yes.
up at 4 o'clock. I don't know.
I woke up at 3:30 because it's too early for me, but yeah, we have to do it. So it's a great session. Thank you. We are signing off. Thank you for joining live.
Thank you guys. Love you. Bye. Thank you, Ekta. Thank you, Lavanya. Thank you, Srinivas. Thank you, Riddhi. Thank you so much. Bye bye.